Alright, on a trip back from Midland, we got our ice cream, and oh, we got a little squall came through. Good sized thunderstorm. We just had a lovely swim back on Snake Island over that way. And the sun was shining and it was gorgeous. Now you can't even see Midland. So we got the cover up just in time. Addie, what'd you get?
A caterpillar.
Oh yes. Out in the bay.
Did you rescue the caterpillar?
Yeah.
Yeah, what a girl. So boating in the rain. We got the top up though. Nice and dry. And Owen's doing a great job driving the boat. Okay, now she's getting a little exciting. Looks like the storm's just coming up. Thank God for the chart plotter, because I might lose reference points in here in a second. Make for an exciting little boat ride. Oh, here it comes. What is it, Eddie? Oh, lightning. Crazy. Oh, this is nuts. Whoa, this is good one. Who said boating was boring?